2018 Chevy Mustang.
What? What the
2017 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter Haas beast of a vehicle. There's the stock converters there. And there, then we put a high flow converter instead of the regular restriction converter there. Then what we did is we did a muffler delete because I had a Flowmaster 40 series, but it was too quiet. He had it done in Maryland, but he came to visit friends in Nashville and heard about us, so he came by. So we cut the muffler out and put a Y pipe in its place right there into his existing tailpipes that he had done over there in Maryland, into 5-inch roll tips that we changed out for him because he had those little tiny 3-inch tips that don't look appealing on this huge Suburban. So we said we can fix that, and we did. Hope you guys like it. There it is. That's how you get it done. Straight pipe Suburban. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. You like it? I guess not. She was walking by. I was asking a customer, but so much better. There's sound decibels. 107. Much better. Sounds so much better. Looks better too than what it was. Chevy Suburban. Premium edition. That sounds so good. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Let us know. I'll let you hear it on the inside. Straight pipe.